Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to study about money under the chapter that is tail. We denote money in rupees and paise. So, we have to denote the money in terms of rupees and paise. The symbol of rupees is represent this symbol, children. This is rupees symbol. Paise is represent P, the letter P. The 1 rupees, this is rupees symbol, children. The 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 1 rupee contains how many paise, children? Yes, very good. It contains 100 paise. What about the 1 rupees is equal to how many 50 paise in 1 rupee? So the question is, in 1 rupee contains how many 50 paise? See, children, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So 50 2 times you get 100. So how many times? Yes, that 50 paise is 2 times in 1 rupee. Is it clear? Yes. The next question, rupees 2 is equal to how many paise? So rupees 2 contains how many paise? See, children, rupees 1 contains 100 paise. Therefore, 100 multiplied by 2. So, what you get? 200. So, how many paise? 200 paise in rupees 2. Like, in rupees 10 contains how many paise? Yes, very good, children. Just you have to write that 10. How many zeros you have to add? 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Just you have to add 2 zeros. So how many paise? Yes, very good. 1000 paise is equal to rupees 10. Then rupees 25 is equal to how many paise? So again, you can follow one more step. Already I thought that this right. So 100 multiplied by 25. So 0, 5 and then 0, 0, 2. How much you get? 2500. 2500 paise. Then listen. Now I give the in paise term and I ask in rupees. So 4500 paise contains how many rupees I ask. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, children. So just you have to write down the given paise and divided by 100. So you cut the 2 zeros. How much you get? So I cut the 2 zeros. Now I get 45 divided by 1. So just we can take it as 45. So how much? Rupees 45. This is one step. Then another one. The next problem. 3625 paise is equal to how much rupee? Yes. So what? 3625 is divided by 100. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So after the 2 digit, you keep the decimal point 1, 2. I keep decimal point. So this is rupees and this is paise, children. So how much you get? 36 rupees 25 paise. Children, our first heading is add the given problem rupees 36 and 75 paise add with rupees 47 65 paise. So first you have to separate the rupees and paise columns. Then here I give 2-digit number. So I write down ones tens as well as the paise ones tens I write down. Then first you have 36 rupees and 75 paise. Then 47 rupees and 65 paise. We need to add. So 5 plus 5 in the mind. After 5 you take 5 finger. Then you have to count, children. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much? 10. So I write 10. Strike out 0 and write under the ones place. Carry the remaining 1 into the tens place. So now I get 1. Then here 7. So now you keep your mind 7. 7 after 1 finger 8. Then keep your mind 8. Then 8 after how many fingers you need to take? 6. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much you get now? 14. So 14, you strike out 4. Write under the paise. How much? 4. You carry the remaining 1 into the rupees and under the ones place. Now you keep 6 in the mind. After 6, you take 1 finger. 6 after 7. Then 7 in the mind. After 7, you need to take 7 fingers, children. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much you get? Again you get 14. Then strike out 4. Write under the ones place. Carry the remaining 1 into the tens place. So next 3 in the mind. After 3 you need to take 1 finger. So 3 after 4. Then 4 in the mind. After 4 you need to take 4 finger. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much you write down? 8. So your answer is, so answer is equal to, sum is equal to rupees 84 and 40 paise. Our next problem, subtraction. So rupees 275 paise from the rupees 359 and 65 paise. Children, this is subtraction. So which one comes first? Yes, very good. The greater number should come first. So which one is the greater number here? Yes, 359 rupees you need to write first. Where you write? In ones place you have 9 and tens place 5 and 100 place you have 3. So I write down. Then how many paise? 65 paise. In ones place 5, tens place 6. Then you need to subtract 275 paise. So I write down 200 rupees and 75 paise. Now you need to subtract the same number. Subtract means you get 0. Then can you subtract the 7 from 6? No. So you come to the rupees. There in first, that means the ones place you have 9. That 9 give 1/10 to the paise column. So what comes here? Yes, the 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, you know. So here we get 1. So how much? Remaining 8. So what comes here? 6 you have. So 10 plus 6, 16. Then which one keep in mind? 7 in the mind. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now you stop your counting and see a finger. How many fingers you take now? Yes, very good. You take 9 fingers. So write on remaining 9 here. Then come to the rupees column and there the ones place. Here you have 0. So you subtract 0 from any number. You get the same number. So I write down 8. Again you need to subtract 0 from 5. So you get 5 again. Then which one keep in mind? 2 in the mind. After 2, 3. So now you stop. You get 3, you know. You stop. How many fingers you take? Yes, only 1 finger. So what you have to write here? 1. So what's your answer? Your remaining rupees is 158 and 90 paise. So now the answer, difference is equal to 158 rupees and 90 paise. Dear children, in this session we study about money, addition, subtraction under the chapter the fifth stage. I hope you all learned well. Thank you children.